Hello and welcome to Trains and Theatic and a Wednesday night video. You'll remember a few weeks ago I went down to Gaugemaster. From that you have seen my coverage of their Britfest and the logo we bought for the Garden Railway. Well, this is what I bought from them, so let's do the title and then see what I bought. Gaugemaster had a very tempting offer today. Spend 100 and get 10% off. So I made the most of that by buying bits which have been on my shopping list. So first of all, it's not one, but two DS1 Train Tech green red signals. These are to go at the end of my platforms. I think I got one up in the attic, so I need 4 at one end and then need 4 at the tunnel. Then I need another 4 just before coming into the station, so I still need quite a few of these. So I picked these up. Then I picked up something for the surf line. One of the Daple's signals. So this is four wires, 2 for power, 2 to change the signal, and I got the decoder, which is Train Tech 1 already installed. So that's signalling sorted out. Then one of the projects I still got on my to-do list needs these. I don't have enough of those yet, or enough of these, but I need platforms for my layout. My thought is to get the outers for the platforms and then build the middle bit. I'm gradually building these up, so I'll get some more each time I see them. And then I was left with a few other bits to buy. I've picked up some of these nice fence panels, and I also got a shed to build. There's a shed. So it's a nice little pile of bits I've been buying. So that's quite nice. I think what I'll do is actually build this little kit and then put that to one side for the time being. So I'm going to start off having a quick look at the fence panels. I try to pick up fence panels whenever I see them. These are very nice, quite thin, and represent a proper fence. I even have a place where about that will go quite nicely. So that's quite nice. And they're both laser cut. So there's a small sheet saying for garden shed, and then the kit itself, and it say what else is available, but it doesn't have instructions, but I think it should just be stick all the bits together and you're done. So let's do that. That was a very quick build. And it makes a very nice rickety shed. Like I said, there were no instructions in that kit, but that's that. So thank you for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe and comment, and keep an eye out for the next video on Saturday, which will be another garden railway video. Thank you very much, Richard.